Hello friends, welcome back to our channel 5 Minute Show. This story is about Jagdish Chandra Bose, the greatest scientist ever lived. Today is 13 November and today is his birthday. I place him at the top. Not only me but all the modern scientists do that also. लेकिन हम में से बहुत जन उनको जानते तक नहीं है. J.C. Bose, he wasn't born in ideal condition. वो भारत में 1858 में पैदा हुए थे. अपने पापा के कहने पे उन्होंने बंगाली स्कूल ज्वाइन की. उनके पापा चाहते थे कि वो सबसे पहले अपने मदर टंग यानी बंगाली लैंग्वेज में मास्टरी करें और कुछ ही सालों बाद उन्हें इंग्लैंड भेजा गया डॉक्टर बनने के लिए. लेकिन उसके वजह से वो फिजिक्स में इंटरेस्ट लेना चालू हो गए. He came back to India and became Presidency College, Calcutta's professor. His salary was just ₹100 per month, which was 1/3 of any of the Britishers paid. इन सारे रुकावटों के बाद भी के इन्वेंशन ने दुनिया को बदल दिया. In 1895, Sir J.C. Bose used electromagnetic waves to ring a bell from the distance of 75 meters through the walls, just like a Wi-Fi. This invention laid 2 years before Marconi invented the radio. मार्कोनी ने रेडियो के द्वारा बहुत से पैसे कमाने की चाहत रखी, लेकिन वही जेसी बोस ने उसका इन्वेंशन पेटेंट तक नहीं की. बोस generated 5 millimeter electromagnetic waves and 60 GHz before instruments even evolved to measure a small such a frequency. Millimeter wave that J.C. Bose worked on is backbone of 5G network that we use today. But that's not the end of J.C. Bose's invention. On 10th May 1909, he demonstrated that plants are also sensitive to heat, cold, night, and noise, and other things that animals react to, even love. He showed that plants planted near the calm music grows faster as compared to disturbing offbeat music. He proved that plants also feel pain. When the roots of any plants are dipped in a poison, they scream just like any other animal. Recently, a German scientist said that plants talk to each other, what the Bose said many years ago. He invented many inventions that are still used in microwave technology today. All of his life, he worked in just a room of 24 square feet big. His room was too small, but he believed the true laboratory is in the mind, where behind illusion we uncover the laws of truth. These are the words of Jagdish Chandra Bose. People talk a lot about our culture, but we want to change their mind and think about the contribution of India towards the world. We want people should not give only example of Einstein, Edison and Marconi, but also of Bose. His contribution was the founding stone of the wireless communication. Yes, Wi-Fi, radio, internet that we enjoy today, and that's the exactly contribution of India towards the world. Please like our video and share this video and make it popular. If you like this video, please click here to subscribe our channel and see more interesting videos like this.